What up? What to do? It's your boy JDQ. All right, here we are again. Peep the shirts. All right, peep the shirts. That's right, you seen it. So today's video will be a lightning super fast video on how to use the TomAsk app on your phone. The TomAsk app on your phone is for making loose change extra money. All right, this app will not allow you to get $100. It will not allow you to become a millionaire overnight. This is just for extra loose change, instant cash. All right, we're talking about 25 cents here, 50 cents here, maybe a dollar sometimes, depending on what do you do. But this is a lightning fast tutorial on how to use the app, and I will be doing this like not live, but just on the screen or whatever. And I made the video super short and super fast. I have not practiced any of this, like how I'm gonna say it. So as the video goes, I'm gonna try to say what I was doing in the video and explain everything as the video goes. So hopefully it's helpful. Before I continue, make sure please to hit that like and subscribe button and comment on the section below and let me know if this helped you out or not, and let me know if this cleared any doubts that you had about the app. All right, here we go. All right, so I opened TomAsk. I looked for an app, opened it up. All right, searched it on the App Store like it told me to. I copy pasted what it showed me. I compared it and make sure that was the one. I pressed get, double clicked to download. It downloaded. It's downloading. Boom. Open the app. I opened the app on this side and it opened on the other page or other tab. I input my phone number. I didn't show it right there because I'm not trying to give out my phone number. All right. Of course, I enabled locations, allowed notifications. All right. As I'm doing all that, it's already starting to cash in on the actual app. As you can see in the bottom part, it says get money. All right. Boom. It hit 0. Tap get money. All right. It's loading. It gave me 23 cents for doing that little task. I went out the app, looked for the app that I downloaded, deleted it, and that was it, guys. 23 cents for downloading an app, not even using it, and then you could delete it right afterwards. Love you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it was a lot of help, and hopefully you put it to use, or I don't know, do something with it. All right, I'll see you guys next time.